Cbanga360 inMotion teaser advisory. We are proud to restream and share our support here. Watch for the Cbanga360 inMotion restream of the first in-focus main feature of Red Monkey Talks show, featuring the Penafrancia Fluvial Colgante bridge disaster of September 16, 1972, and related trivia. Our in-focus for the first edition is a recollection and in-depth discussion of the tragedy that happened 5 decades ago. That was during the religious celebration of the transfer of the venerated images of the Virgin of Penafrancia and the El Divino Rostro, from the Metropolitan Cathedral back to the Penafrancia Shrine, during the fluvial procession on the Naga River in the city of Naga, Bicol region, the Philippines. Remembering the sorrows and pains of the Penafrancia Fluvial Colgante Bridge tragedy of September 16, 1972. Long ago during the month of September, some 51 years ago in our faster call, and counting. A joint project of the Red Monkey Talks and the Cbanga360 inMotion channels. We give full assurance to our viewers and enthusiasts that this first outing of the RMT will offer exhaustive and extensive feature, with full rounded view of the event and the aftermath of the unfortunate disaster. Based from the original text published online in Cbanga360.net. This edition contains a revised long-form narrative with additional, comprehensive and updated information. Published first on Red Monkey Talks channel on October 19th, and now coming to Cbanga360 inMotion channel on October 22nd, 2023. Based on the script by Jap Adupi under the direction and technical supervision of Danton Pascual. See you folks at the premiere restream.